Hello, boys and girls. We're just going to do a quick review of our parts of a 3D shape. Remember, our 3D shapes are also called solid shapes, and they're things that you can hold in your hands. They have lots of different sides and faces. So in my picture, you can see I drew a cube because I know you practiced this shape last week with Señora Castaño. And if I remember right, I think a cube in Spanish is just cubo or cubo. You guys will have to help me with that one. So let's look at all the different parts of a cube. Our corners, just like our flat shape where we have our corners that meet, it is called our vertex, or when there's lots of them, our vertices. The only difference is in a 3D shape, there are 3 areas that come together, 3 faces. So here are our vertices, just like over here in our 2D shape. This would be our vertices. So we have them in our corners. And then connecting all of our vertices together is our edge. So just like in our 2D shape, this was considered our edge, remember? So we have that in a 3D shape also, but in a 3D shape, we just have more of them. There's lots of vertices and lots of edges. And then also our flat surface here, we now call this the face. And the face is the flat surface of a solid. So those are all the parts of our 3D shapes, our solid shapes. And so each time we do a new shape this week, we're going to be talking about how many vertices, edges, and faces each shape has. Nice job, boys and girls. See you later.